So Chapter 2, Section 2, Properties of Quadratic Functions in Standard Form, Lesson 1, Video 2, Properties of Standard Form. So standard form, so properties of. So for f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0, the parabola has these properties. First, it will open up if a is greater than 0, and it will face down if a is less than 0. The axis of symmetry is the vertical line x is equal to negative b divided by 2a. The vertex is the point negative b divided by 2a, comma, f of negative b divided by 2a, and the y-intercept is c. With regards to the vertex, it is important to understand why or what f of means. F of negative b over 2a means plug x is equal to negative b over 2a into f of x to find y. As in f of x and y are actually the same thing. So once you plug in x, you're going to get a numerical value, and that numerical value will be y. Now also, the y-intercept is c because y-intercepts are 0, comma, c. That's the more specific way to write it. So since x is equal to 0, if you go back up to the equation, obviously x squared and x, if they're both 0, the a and b term will cancel out, and the only thing left will be c. So for the first example, we're going to take a given function and complete all the different parts of that specific equation. So first of all, our function is f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 6. A tells us what direction is the graph facing. Since a is positive 1, our graph will be facing up. Find the axis of symmetry. First, you have to remember that x is equal to negative b divided by 2a, and for us, a is equal to 1, while b is equal to negative 4. So x is equal to negative times negative 4, so negative 1 times 4 divided by 2 times 1, which is 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. Second phase. So the axis of symmetry, real quickly, the axis of symmetry is x is equal to 2. The second part is to find the rest of the vertex. We have the x because x is equal to 2, but we now need to find the y. So we need to find what f of 2 is equal to. F of 2 is 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 6. So 4 minus 8 plus 6 gives us 4 minus 8 is negative 4 plus 6, which is 2. Therefore, the vertex is the x from the axis of symmetry and the value of f of 2, which we just found right now, which is 2. So we know that f of 2 is equal to 2, and that is also our vertex. Find the y-intercept. Well, the x is equal to 0 for the y-intercept. So therefore, f of 0 is equal to 0 squared minus 4 times 0 plus 6. So 0, 6 is the y-intercept. The last thing that it asks for is for you to sketch the graph. To sketch the graph, you just need to plot a couple of points. So at 2, 2, we have the vertex, and you can actually go ahead and draw through the axis of symmetry. Then at 0, 6, we have the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 2 away from our axis of symmetry, so if we go 2 the other way, which would be at the very edge over here, we can now connect the dots and make that U shape. So again, this is just kind of a basic sketch. A lot of the graphs for standard form will require t-charts. You try. Answer all parts about the given function f of x is equal to negative x squared minus 2x minus 8. First, state the direction, find the axis of symmetry, find the vertex, find the y-intercept, and lastly, sketch the graph. The big thing that you need to pay attention to is that first term, negative x squared. Please make sure that you look for parentheses. There are none, therefore, you may want to rewrite this as negative 1 times x squared minus 2x minus 8 to ensure that you understand that only x gets squared, not the negative. Show all of your work and come in with any questions that you may have.